In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar effectively for productivity. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left panel, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars and choose Create New Calendar. Set up separate calendars to represent your main life categories like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct color so your week becomes visually organized at a glance. This layering is powerful. You can toggle categories on or off to reduce visual noise when you need to focus, and still keep everything in one place. Next, click the gear icon and head to Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, such as 30 or 60 minutes, so new events don't sprawl. Set default reminders, for example, one at 10 minutes and another at 1 hour before, and decide whether you want notifications as pop-ups or emails. These small defaults save time and help you avoid missed tasks and meetings without constant manual tweaking. Now, time block your day. Instead of keeping a long to-do list, reserve focused blocks on your calendar. For instance, place admin tasks from 8 to 9 in the morning, deep work from 9 to 11, client calls from 1 to 2 in the afternoon, and content creation from 4 to 5. Create each block by clicking and dragging on the calendar, and treat these blocks like real appointments. Add short buffers between demanding sessions to reset, and if something takes longer, move the block forward rather than abandoning it. Use recurring events to automate your routine. Open any event and set it to repeat. Good examples include weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Add an end date or review point so you can adjust if your routine changes. Protect your focus by using specialized event types. Add focus time to reserve heads down work and automatically reduce meeting interruptions. Mark out of office when you're unavailable so invitations are declined politely. If you use tasks, integrate them so important to-dos appear on your calendar with time assigned. Make sure everything syncs across your devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and confirm your calendars are toggled on. Connect your calendar to Gmail and your video meeting tools like Zoom or Google Meet, so invites and links appear automatically where you need them. Finally, use the event description field wisely. Add a clear meeting agenda, keynotes, relevant links such as video rooms or documents, and a short checklist of outcomes. Keeping context inside the event saves clicks and keeps your day flowing. Put these pieces together, and your calendar becomes a system that plans your time, protects your focus, and keeps details at your fingertips.